Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. I'm a little nervous, but I'll do my best. I'm from Japan and I'm an environmental science student. I'm also planning to go to graduate school. One of the reasons I started this channel is to improve my English while sharing what I learn about the environment. So let's get started. Recently, I've been wondering about something. When we were kids, many of us could touch insects without thinking twice. But now, many adults can't. I also hardly ever see college students playing outside like they did when they were children. When did we become so distant from nature? That's the question I want to explore today. When I was a kid, nature was always a part of my daily life. I spent most of my time playing outside with my friends. Even though I lived in a city, there were parks, rivers, and lots of green spaces nearby. Seeing birds, insects, and plants was a just normal part of my childhood. When I was in high school, I became fascinated by dinosaurs. I spent hours reading books and searching the internet to learn about Nui, discover species and the environments they lived in. At first, I simply thought dinosaurs were cool, but before I knew it, they had led me to become interested in nature, the earth history, and environmental science. When I entered university, something changed my life. I was introduced to the idea of deep ecology. Before that, I had always thought that humans and nature were separate. Deep ecology taught me that humans are part of nature. I'm still learning what that really means. Maybe that's why I started asking myself, who am I? Now, I want to dedicate my life to studying the relationship between humans and nature. I believe this research could help solve environmental problems. This is the first step of my journey. On this channel, I'll be sharing my journey of learning about nature and maybe learning a little more about myself too. Along the way, I'll share my research, talk about environmental issues, and improve my English little by little. I hope you'll enjoy this journey with me. By the time this series comes to an end, I may have found at least part of the answer to one question: who am I? And maybe this journey will inspire you to reconnect with nature just like you did when you were a child. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.